How to fix TeraBox app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your TeraBox application is not working, first and foremost check that if your application is undergoing an update. In that case, your application will not work or launch. You don't have to panic, just wait a couple of seconds, then try to relaunch your app again. This is because when your application is undergoing an update, it will simply not work. If that is not the case, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for TeraBox. You need to tap on the four-stop button, then tap on OK. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which, the application must be up and running. If not, you actually have to check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into cellular data or a better Wi-Fi connection. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.